Hi everyone, this is how to install a daytime running light module on a 1992 Ford Bronco XLT. I have a video on the 95. Here's the module I got from Rock Auto. It's about $97. And what I was able to find this time is the blank connection is underneath the driver's side here. And I'll try to show you the video here. Hopefully you can get a good shot of it. And you can kind of see the module up there. This right blank module right up here connection. Right, well, I'm not sure quite how well you're going to see that. There we go. So I'm going to pull that off and double check the connection and test it out before we go any further. I hope this helps. Here we go. Here's the same cable from underneath that just came through that opening that you can just kind of see through there, and it's tied into this harness and had this plug inside of it. So I removed it. Looks to be the same connection as the daytime running light module here. I'll just try to see if I can put the two side by side here. So it looks like that's going to fit. So we're going to plug it in and then give it a try. So eventually what I did is I just secured this daytime running light module inside here, just to the side of the radiator inside the front area. It was a little bit, and then just ran the cable in here and through that opening. I tried installing it in here. It's just a little bit too cramped. I'm not sure how well you can see that with the camera, but you know. And I think that's just the way to go. It's a lot easier to get at, access, and tighten down. So hopefully that helps everyone.